My name is Alex Deng. I'm going to give a quick overview of our new paper on variance reduction using in-experiment data. This is a joint work with my three co-authors, Anna, Michelle, and Ching. Let's jump in. If you have experience with online experimentation or A/B tests, let me ask you this question. When you think about agility, what is the single most fundamental concept that comes to your mind? Is it power, confidence interval? Maybe it's t-statistics, p-value. Maybe it's sample size, MDE, minimal detectable effect. Well, these are all very important concepts, but they all depend on one thing, the variance. We know a smaller variance means smaller MDE and more precise measurement. Smaller variance means less sample size is needed for the same power. Smaller variance also means we can get statistically significant results faster. So that's why we strive to reduce variance when we want to improve experimentation agility. But how? One method called Cupid has been widely used for about almost a decade. It uses pre-experiment period data. It leverages correlation between the metric measured in the pre-experiment period and experiment period. It works really well in scenarios of medium to high frequent usages, where there are enough users who shows up both in the pre-experiment period and experiment period. This naturally leads to high correlation between the two periods. What if you are Airbnb? Your product doesn't have high frequent usage. How often do you think you book a trip every year? Your product's conversion takes time. Do you book a trip in a few clicks or requires a longer effort to decide, spending hundreds to thousands of dollars? In those products with sparse and delayed outcomes, pre-experiment data-based variance reduction is not very effective. This is why we turn into using in-experiment data instead. I hope you're interested. Find out more in our paper. Thank you.